Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can draw on top of your videos on CapCut Mobile. So to do so, you're actually going to select the text button and you're going to select the draw button here. Here you can find a lot of like basic textures, which are just like the usual like lines and stuff. You can also select the color using the color wheel here if you'd like to, and like just draw like on top of it. I don't know, something like that. Here you can erase it as well, and you can also adjust the opacity of it here. Oops, wrong. Make sure you select the brush first. You can adjust the opacity and the hardness and the size of the brush as well here. You also have these textures, which are quite fun. Here you can like paint stars, and you can also adjust the like opacity of it here. Oh, that's the size, sorry, my bad. The opacity here, and you can use that. I think it's just pretty cool. I don't like the heart shape. I don't know why it's the other way around, but let's see in this one. I think it's very cute. And that is basically it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye!